In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an aesthetic sidebar in Notion. We're going to build a clean, space-saving menu that makes your workspace feel intentional and easy to navigate, all using simple Notion commands you already know. Start on a fresh page so you can focus on structure. Type / then :2 to create 2 columns. You'll see a vertical divider appear. Click and drag that divider to the right, so the left column becomes narrower about 1/4 of the page. That slimmer column is going to act as your menu, while the larger right column stays open for your main content. Take a moment to adjust the width until it looks balanced to your eye. Now let's give the menu a clear, attractive header. Click inside the left column and type / then callout. This adds a styled box with an icon and background. Choose a subtle color like default or gray for a minimalist look that won't compete with your content. Add a simple icon such as a menu symbol to signal navigation at a glance. Then title it Navigation or Menu. And make that title bold so it stands out. This small bit of emphasis gives your sidebar a polished, intentional feel. Inside that callout box, start adding links to your most used pages. Type 2 left brackets. Begin the page name and select it from the suggestions that appear. Repeat for each key page you want quick access to. Keeping everything inside the callout keeps your menu compact, readable, and visually grouped. To make your sidebar truly aesthetic and scannable, customize each link with a relevant emoji or icon. You can add an emoji in front of the link title to create a consistent visual language, for example, a briefcase for work, a book for resources, or a star for favorites. Aim for a cohesive style by using similar emoji sizes and a consistent theme, which helps your eye travel quickly down the list. If your menu is getting long, introduce collapsible organization. Type / then toggle. To create a section you can open or close. Label toggles with clear categories like personal, work, or resources. Drag your links into the appropriate toggle so only the sections you need stay expanded. This keeps your sidebar tidy, focused, and easy to skim, especially as your workspace grows. That's it, an elegant, functional sidebar that streamlines your Notion experience. Save your page, refine icon choices as you go, and enjoy a workspace that looks as good as it works. Thanks for watching.